All right, welcome to lesson 8.2, and we're going to talk about vertex form of the function of the quadratic function. So the first thing we need to realize is what is vertex form, and vertex form is going to look familiar to you. It's very similar to vertex form of an absolute value equation, but here we go. Y equals A times x minus h in parentheses plus k. All right, so a couple things then. If you look at this equation, your vertex is your h value as x and your k value as y, and there is one important thing we need to think about. We have to think, we don't need to write the word think. We're going to be opposite of the equation. It's opposite of the equation. So when you see if h is negative in the equation, it's positive down here. We'll look at that in some future examples. All right, now when you look at the vertex form equation, some things are still going to take place. So remember all the things we've talked about. Our a value, remember, if it's greater than 0 or positive, okay, it's going to open up. If our a value is less than 0 or negative, it opens down. We also know that if our a value is greater than 1, it's going to be narrower. And if our a value is less than 1, but also larger than 0, it's going to be wider. Okay? Now, your h value, your x-coordinate of your vertex, if you have in your equation x minus h like this, it's actually going to shift to the right. And if you have x minus h or plus h, it is going to shift left. And then your k value is actually going to cause it to shift up and down. So if you have a positive k, it's going to shift up. And if you have a negative k, it's going to shift down. That is our vertex form. Okay? We are going to use that then to describe some transformations in our next video.